Hello and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use dropshipping on Shopify. Use CJ dropshipping. Now, dropshipping is a concept where it's a little bit hard for the newbies to grasp on, but I'm going to be teaching you how to exactly do that. Okay, so let's first and foremost start off fresh here. Let's try to log into our CJ dropshipping. We're going to need you to create an account of your own, okay? Because how else could we use this platform right here if we don't have any account? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to be creating an account here and then teach you some classic third-party drop shipping methods, okay? Because that's what we are doing right now. We're going to be creating an account on CJ dropshipping, and then whatever platform you have, TikTok, just go ahead and do those, okay? So don't be shy to go ahead and start with the basics, because everybody, as far as I know, like everybody who's done really well in the e-commerce platform has started off as a newbie. So this is how dropshipping works basically. So seller signs agreement with dropshipper, customer orders online, so basically a third party. That's it. You don't own the products yourself. You have to connect to someone who has a product, and you're going to be reselling that basically on your platform, okay? Now, your Shopify, if you've already created your Shopify, of course, let's start off fresh here. Now, there's going to be a bunch of Shopify accounts here, but don't intermingle all of them, because you're going to need this one right here. See, there's a lot of them actually out here. They're not the same, by the way. So here are the profiles you could do connected that are affiliated to Shopify. I have Etsy. One of my favorites probably is Etsy. So again, if you haven't already, just go ahead and create your Shopify account. Now, after all that, see these options right here. Click this one right here, the apps here. You're going to see CJ dropshipping here, but also a lot of applications and platforms that are connected to the Shopify here, that are affiliated with Shopify, or basically partners with Shopify. So that's how relevant it is to have these applications. So yeah, they give you a bunch of options here, not just the CJ dropshipping. We have more here actually. So there's going to be a bunch of applications here that you're going to be using if you want to learn more or experiment. Just basically experiment with third-party dropshipping basically. So I have a lot of applications here. Shopify Translate and Adapt, but ultimately this video is for CJ dropshipping. So click install there. Just wait for it to load a little bit here. Okay, so you see that once you click install, it's going to be asking for your email, and then you're good to go. Because basically what you do on CJ dropshipping is you're going to contact a third party dealer right there, or a supplier basically, so you could resell their products. So here it is. You could log in and continue to the account that you've already created, that we've already tackled on the first couple of phases in this video. You could register here if you don't have an account. See, it asks for your email. It prompts you to create a password, confirm that password. You could contact and Facebook connect through Facebook and Google, Apple, So WhatsApp, you could use your WhatsApp as well. That's how convenient and easy this is, basically. So you got the information code. Yep, that's it. They're going to be sending you a code, by the way, before you're able to you'll be able to use this properly and integrate really just basically the platform's domain on this one. So once you've had your product there, you're going to add products. So how do you sell your product? For example, you've already got your product from CJ Dropshipping. You're going to sell it now. You're going to be putting the title here, and then you're going to be putting the description here of your product that you got from dropshipping. Upload an image, category, pricing. Okay. Cost per item if you're selling retail. So that's basically it. That's how you sell the product. You're going to be selling it here on Shopify. You're going to be getting product from CJ, and then we're going to be reselling them here on Shopify. Ideally retail. You're going to buy wholesale in the CJ Dropshipping, and ideally retail here, so you could earn from it, Save it, and there you have it. You'll be able to really get the concept of this. It's going to be really easy. So yeah, that's one of the first very basic tools for third-party dropshipping. And it's going to be really complicated at first because you don't know, and you really don't know how to grasp the concept yet on dropshipping. So I'm talking about, but ultimately you're going to be catching up once you're getting the hang of it, basically. So as all things, it's going to be hard at first, but as time progresses, as you get good, as you get efficient, as you get really savvy with this, then you'll come along just fine. And please don't try to skip this process on the e-commerce business. Don't skip this opportunity to try dropshipping, because it's just going to be saving you a bunch of time, and time management is all there is, and hassle. Because why a lot of people, it really boils down to preference, because a lot of people do and are passionate about creating their own products, but if you want efficiency, then that's just about it. So I hope this video is of any, and thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.